In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use food colors in Affinity Photo for food photography. We're going to keep things simple, precise, and appetizing, so your food images look vibrant without tipping into cartoonish color. Start by opening your food photo in Affinity Photo. Choose an image with good lighting and clean detail, because color work looks best when the base photo already has decent exposure and contrast. Once your image is on screen, you're ready to keep all enhancements non-destructive by working on a separate layer. Add a new pixel layer above the photo. This extra layer is where all your color work will live, which means you can edit, blend, or dial it back at any time without touching the original image. Keeping your edits separate is the easiest way to stay flexible and avoid overdoing it. Now select the brush tool and pick the color you want to enhance. You can choose a color from the color panel or sample directly from the photo so the hue matches what's already there. A soft, round brush with low hardness helps the paint blend seamlessly. Set a gentle flow or opacity on the brush so each stroke adds color gradually rather than in one heavy pass. Think subtle glazing instead of repainting. Paint lightly over areas like fruits, sauces, or highlights. Work with small strokes and follow the shape of the food to keep edges natural. Focus on places that should look juicy or fresh: berries, herbs, glazes, and reflections. Skip neutral areas like plates or napkins unless they truly need a hint of color, and be mindful not to fill in shadows completely. Shadows give depth and realism. Next, set the layer, blend mode, to color or overlay. Color mode replaces hue and saturation while preserving the photo's natural light and texture. Ideal when you want to correct or boost a tone without changing contrast. Overlay blends your strokes with the underlying image to intensify contrast and saturation, adding punch and warmth. If you're unsure, try color first for accuracy, then test overlay for extra pop, and pick the one that looks more appetizing. Finally, adjust opacity for a natural, appetizing look. Pull it down until the enhancement feels believable, often somewhere in the subtle range rather than full strength. Toggle the layer's visibility on and off to compare before and after, and aim for a result that looks fresh, inviting, and true to life. And that's it. With a single pixel layer, a soft brush, and the right blend mode, you can elevate food colors with control and confidence.